Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do something special, something other type. We are in Max now, Max shopping mall.
Yeah, we will go to Answer Gallery and we will...
Yeah, you know what we are going to do is, I will be her Jinn. She can say any 3 wishes of her. I will do that for her. But we won't do it here because here fully, it's too... No people are there, so they can catch us fast. So we are going to Ansa Gallery, and yeah, we will do the challenge over there. I am being a Jinn for her because she's going to India, right? So I should little wishes, right? Literally 3 wishes. So I will fulfill for her, and yeah. Let's meet in Ansa Gallery. Guys, this is the outfit for the day. Yeah, there's a flower, and hers is written
Girl power.
yeah, girl power. Today I will show my power.
My power.
She's gonna say, and I'm gonna do that. So yeah,
I
outfit
will
for the
take
day.
my
I have a watch, which is this Lily Stone.
I gave her.
Yeah. What to do? So outfit for the day, nothing else.
Yeah,
Pants,
I have
of course, pants, and yeah. So let's go.
my... Bye.
Bye. And hello. Bye.
We're about to reach. Bye.
Guys, we are in the mall. Wow, look at this dress. So cool. So yeah, we are in the dress. We are in the shop. Oh, as you can see.
Shopping section.
Yeah, shopping section.
We are with my parents.
With parents, and yeah. So, Adina, did you plan anything for me? Literally, I don't know anything. What she's gonna say, I will react on that. So yeah, Adina, para.
Yeah. So stay tuned.
Okay, stay tuned. I think so. She's thinking more and more and more. But only 3 wish. So yeah, guys, we are playing for little time with Abel.
Yeah.
We are calling him like he's thinking someone is calling. Who's that? Okay, so let's play. I think so. I think he's in that section.
Not here.
Not here.
See,
Hey, where he went? Oh, he's there.
no.
And he's there. Your father is there. Look there. Come. Can you see? That's where he is. Come. Where he went? Disappeared. Yeah, he's there. Look.
Abel?
Literally. Come. Okay, look there.
Oh, my mom came.
Oh shit, he got us. He literally got us. Okay. നീ പിടിക്കത്തില്ല ഞങ്ങളെ. Okay, va. So he came to know who were calling him. Yeah, and anyone, what do you want to say?
See, I go to the thing.
I go to pick the thing, and Kessia and Adina cold. Okay, I can understand everything. What do? Yeah, come. Guys, we are all set, and Adina is going to say me what should I do. So are you guys ready? Wait, are you guys ready?
I was ready.
Okay.
Stay tuned.
What? Stay tuned every time. Now she will say, okay? I will just twist the camera. She will say now, wait. Say me what you're gonna do.
So the first thing is that Kessia should jump from the stickers, right? For social
Show the.
Yeah, come.
You're going to take me. Oh my god. Yeah, say. What should I do?
You should jump from here. You should jump.
But I will only... How much steps?
10.
Okay, 10 steps I will do.
Yeah.
Guys, literally, it's a big... You know what you say? Embarrassing thing. Okay, it's fine. I will do because I did many times. So this is Okay. Adina, catch the cam.
Okay, now Cassie is going to do jump. Okay, jump. Cassie, don't hold. Earthquake. 3. 4. 5. 6. Okay. Go jump. 8. 9. 10.
First one is complete. And you can
let's
say,
go to the second one.
let's go to the second one. What's that?
Okay, Dad. You should take
Okay, say.
from chocolate section. You should take me Sour Patch or any candies which I like. Okay.
Only that much.
Me too.
Only that much. Where's the chocolates? Come, let's go to the chocolates. Woohoo! Who's ready? Who's ready? Just comment down here. Just joke. Guys, we are searching for a chocolate for 1005 years later. Chocolates. Yeah, we are in the chocolate land. We are in something like, where's chocolate? Is it biscuit? Yeah, chocolates. Which is where's Sour Patch? Soru Pachu. Very difficult to find.
Sour Patch.
Guys, where is Sour Patch? If you guys can see, please comment down. Sour Patch. Hey, now look here. Sour Patch. Sour Patch. Sour Patch. Guys. Sour Patch? Bro, take some, like, which we can pay for. That's Sour Punk. Sour Punk, it's Sour Punk.
Sour Patch is not there.
Oh. Guys, there is no Sour Patch. Yes, there is no Sour Patch, so you can say anything else.
Yeah.
So I don't need to buy anything. Yeah, say anything else which I can do.
Yeah, same only. Different candies.
I should buy something. Okay, different candy. Let's look which candy, which one you want.
Icebreakers.
Can you see any icebreakers here?
Yeah, here.
Okay. This one, how much? 50 fills? 50 fills, okay, right?
1 BD.
One? Oh my god, one BD.
Yeah.
Guys, should I give this to her? Should I give? Can you see? Like ice. One BD.
Do you want?
So hello guys, she's like one man just went away. So yeah, you know what she's saying? Literally, she's saying to steal it, not to buy. So
French fries.
so salama slice. So should we take it or no? Stealing is bad, Adina. Stealing is bad.
Okay, no. So no need this one. So let's. Kessia, you do dance.
Dance.
Yeah.
Okay, we are not stealing because stealing is not good. So
No,
stealing is not good. So we are not stealing. So she's going to say dance. I can't do. I don't know any dance.
Please. Or sing.
Sing also I don't know.
Come on, Chandra, radio. Sing that.
Where? Here only?
Yeah.
No one is here. Look, I'll show you. No one is here. So here I can sing. I think, right? It's easy for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, catch. Loud or short? Or I should dance, or I should sing. Singing is enough.
Yeah.
So, yeah, guys. You take this one. How do you say intro or something? So today Kessia is gonna sing.
So welcome Kessia to the stage. She's going to sing a song.
Yeah, sing a song, right? Come on. It's Friday night and a bomb
Abel.
Come, Abel, come, let's dance.
Oh my.
Come on, to the radio.
It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my makeup on. Friday night and I won't be late till I hit the dance floor. I got all I need, but I ain't got cash. I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills. Have fun tonight. I love cheap.
And yeah,
The
wait,
girls
wait.
have fun.
Last step.
I like you girls. Thank you for the amazing performance.
Guys, second one is also over. And you can give me little hard also. Hard also. Little hard. Like in front of public or something. Literally one manager was coming through. I was like,
You need
Oh my
you should
God.
buy me a juice. Should buy.
should I? Okay. I like juice, right? 100 pills, 200
Yeah.
pills. Juice. So that's fine. So guys, we are gonna reach Juice land. Juice land, Iceland. What can we say? Where Juice? We are there. So Adina, you can choose your juices. Rebel, you need?
Yes.
Okay, you both can take. Oh my god, mocha. Starbucks mocha. Guys, anyone needs Starbucks mocha? I love this. My favorite. Starbucks mocha.
Cappuccino.
You want cappuccino?
Frappuccino. That's frappuccino.
Choose fast. Guys, one thing. My chips world. Literally, if I get a chance to buy this full, I will literally grab them all. Say something. Ada? Sure, what's that? How much? Nada is not good. Almarai edukku. Almarai undo.
Amarai.
Where's Almarai?
This is Amarai.
No, that's Nada. Almarai. Ah, yeah, come. Almarai. It's Almarai. I think it's farms. Either which was the flavor? You want this? Okay, it's fine if you want this because 200 pills.
Okay. Thank you.
200 pills. What do you want? Like milkshake?
Yeah.
Milkshake. Let me search.
Today is the fun day in the shop.
Today's a fun day in the shop.
We are today crazy.
We are crazy. Yeah, they both took a juice and now we are going to run to the Pains. Pains, I forgot the name. Counter. Yeah, counter. Run. Go fast as you can. Able, speed po, spend po. Guys, it was so fun doing everything. And
Yeah.
Say something. Say something. Before they come, I'm shy. It was so fun doing everything. Literally, one girl was staring at me.
So bye guys.
Hello guys. So sorry. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down.
And
for
don't
more.
forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications.
Yes, and don't forget to click the bell icon for getting notifications. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And comment below that if you guys need like this videos more.
Bye.
So stay tuned.